Hey everybody, JD here once again with another What Did You Buy Wednesday. I believe this is what, 16, 17? I can't remember. Well, this is going to be a quick one because it is, as you can see, it is like very, very warm here in the garage. So we are going to do just What Did You Buy? It was hot, I can't even think. What Did You Buy Wednesday is brought to us by our buddy Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. And before we get into what the goodies I got, I'd like to share another shop card that I got from Rick over at Anything with Wheel Scale Modeling. Go check out his channel. He's got a very cool build of the truck from Close Encounters when it was sitting at the railroad crossing and the UFO flew over it and started shaking. It's very cool. Very cool dude. And he does indeed look like Shaggy. First, I just got in the mail today from Ted's Modeling down in Galt, California. Not too far from me, about an hour or so. Stop there and stop at the B of A there when I go down to or go up to Sacramento. Got a couple of decal sheets. I got some license plate because I have none. I have no license plates at all. And then I got some decals for gauges and stuff because I don't have any for my tractor. Can't have a pull tractor if it doesn't have any gauges. So I bought a set to go with. And as you know, I went to the IPMS show, Silicon Valley IPMS show over in Fremont on Saturday, and of course can't leave without picking up some stuff, and I sort of kind of got a dart. 15 bucks. Can't complain. Everything is all still sealed in the box or in the bags. I know that there's another dart running around. I think it's 70 or 71. Haven't got that one yet, but I did manage to get a dart. Been talking about that for a while. The other thing, other kit I got, I believe it's the same vendor that I got a couple of my kits from in Sacramento because it has all the post-it notes or the little notes all over the sides of it. Got this for 20 bucks. It even has a picture of a. I guess this is what he was going to build with this car. Again, everything's sealed in the bag. This actually has some extra parts in it for whatever he was going to do with it. There's an extra set, I think, of tires and wheels in here. I think this kit you can only build it stock, but that's fine because my idea for this is thinking about building a shine runner whenever I get around to it. I like the stock look. I like the black. I figure I'll get a nice 3D printed flathead, maybe with the 3 carbs or maybe a supercharger if it'll fit under the hood, but leave the outside bone stock. Usually I take the paper off of these kits, again 20 bucks, but this one, whoops, has the price on it still. The other kit I got was for sentimental reasons. This is like one of my favorite Chevy trucks. My grandfather had a black Cheyenne. I think it was a 1970-ish, same body style. Had a burgundy interior. I haven't even opened this one yet, but I'm probably going to do the same as I did with the Ford because Long's $11.90, $6.99. I don't even know what year is this kit. I know I've always wanted one of these. What does it say? 1995. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet, but I have plans for this too. My uncle's truck was bone stock, or not my uncle, my grandfather's truck, and it was just solid black. It was beautiful. It was his baby. So that's all I've got so far. I spent most of the day because it is supposed to be 100 freaking plus degrees today. I've been kicking back in the house working on doing some modeling. I put all the decals on my Bluebird dashboard, my eyes just ain't as good as they used to be because these decals are teeny tiny. And I'd put them in, and they'd somehow I'd put them in upside right, and they'd somehow magically turn themselves upside down, floating in the decal solution. I don't know how that works, but whatever. So, but that's all I got. Short and sweet today because it's hot. I don't want to go back into the house where it's like about 30 degrees cooler than it is out here. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. Probably going to come out here sometime in the near future. I'll do an update on my Bluebird. Made a lot of progress. Got some parts painted. The suspension's painted. I got to paint some interior pieces and a couple of other things, and I'll have hopefully get the chassis ready to go. So I hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.